Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your REALME C71 into lost database on IMEI.info page. Okay, so first we need to type the IMEI number of our device right in here in this bar. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you step by step how to find the IMEI number of your device. That's in the video when I'm showing you all checking options on this site, so if you want you can look for it. So once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C71. We need to scroll down into the bottom. In here we can also see some basic information, but let's scroll a little bit more. And now on the left side under the basic checks, which are completely for free, we have lost device add option. We want to click on that. You can see that our IMEI number has been automatically copied and pasted. We can also type the second IMEI number and the serial number if we have one. And now below we need to type the city where we lost our device. Then we need to enter our email address because it will be necessary later. Now we need to type our phone number with the country code. Okay. Now type the value of the recovery in the US dollars. So let's say $80 if someone will find it. And the country when it happened, where it happened, I mean. And now the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. Now I'm going to show you an example of the description, but remember that your description should be as much precise as possible because it will increase the chance of finding of your device. So now I'll type the example of the description. Okay, so that's an example of the description. Remember that this is a fake situation that I wrote about, but in real life, if you lose your device, simply make sure that you give as much information as possible, because every detail may help with finding your device. Below we have the contact name. We need to type it. And below the incident date. We need to enter it in that format, so first we need to type the year, then the month, and then the day. So first year, then the month, and last thing, the day. Okay, below you have those two agreements, simply agree to them, and click on this blue button, report lost/stolen IMEI. Just like that. Okay, our application requires a verification, so now we need to enter our mail, our mailbox. Now we can see that we have a message from the IMEI.info. Oh, and something doesn't want to work actually, because the mail don't work. Okay, and now it works. I just had to open it up in here. Okay, now we need to click on this button, verify request, and now our report has been successfully verified. As we scroll down, we can see the lost verify result, how it was, and now our device has been successfully added into the lost database. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.